Hi, I'm Ivan Klepets at Adam Hall here. I would like to show you the IMA 30 installation mixing amplifier. So, as you can see, we actually thought about placing the priority level starting from the right side and going to the left side. As you can see, we have an emergency input, which can be activated with a contact closure or when the certain level overpasses the threshold, which you can set with a Vox potentiometer. Then we have a mic line 1 and a mic line 2 input. And as you can see, the first one has an XLR jack combo or a Phoenix connector. And the second one has just a Phoenix connector for the mic line or an unbalanced input. As you can see, all of the inputs are actually balanced, and we also have one aux output that is also balanced output. And you can choose if you want to send a music source through this aux output, so one of the two music sources, including the Bluetooth, or the mix, so the music plus the microphones. And the output is very simple. You can simply choose between high Z if you want a 70 volt, 100 volt output, or a low Z. So this way you bypass the transformer and get a very good audio quality. And now we can see on the other IMA 30, the front panel, it is also very simple to control. So the music source is actually touch sensitive, so I have to press a little less than a second and I can toggle between the music sources. And these potentiometers here are actually not input gains. They're like, let's think about like channel faders. So this is channel 1, channel 2 fader, and this here is the master fader. So if I have a signal entering, for example, number 2, channel number 2, I have to open it and send it to the master, and then I can open the master volume, and then actually I get some sound out of this device. The IMA 30 is 30 watts, and we will also be offering IMA 60, so that is 60 watts. And one more difference that is very important on the back panel that I would like to show is that the IMA 60 version will actually include gain control for both mic line 1 and mic line 2. At IMA 30, we just have a selector between mic or line. So if you need more information, please visit ld-systems.com. Thanks.